Hi there, students. To rest. Okay, notice to rest. It sounds like to rest, to have a rest, but it's got a W, and the meaning is completely different. Okay, so it's nothing to do with to have a nice rest. Okay, to rest, to violently pull something away from somebody. So the thief wrested the handbag from her hands. He pulled it violently. This word is related to the word to wrestle. Yeah. So if somebody wrests something from you, they take it from you by force, and you don't let go. Yeah. But they yank it away from you. Okay. Then you can also use this verb to rest metaphorically, meaning to get something with great effort or great difficulty. So he was trying to wrest control of the company from his uncle. Okay, to pull it away from him, but metaphorically. To obtain something with difficulty, effort, or violence. The rebels wrested control from the legal government. The local council is trying to wrest responsibility for schools from central government. Yeah, the shareholders are trying to wrest control of the company from the current management system. Okay, so to wrest, to firstly physically to pull or twist, yeah, twisting movements. He wrested the book out of his sister's grip, yeah, and then to gain something with difficulty, as if metaphorically by force or violence, or with very hard work. So, for example, the poor farmer had to wrest a living from very poor, arid soil, arid, dry. Okay, so to wrest. He tried to wrest control of the meeting away from the chairman. Yeah, the thief wrested the money out of her hands. Okay, the police had to wrest the information out of him. They wrested a confession out of him. Notice, in yesterday's video, I did this verb wring. They had to wring a confession out of him. Here, wrest, to struggle and to get it out of him, to pull it out of him with very difficult work. Okay, so, yeah, they wanted to wrest a confession from the subject. The dictator wrested power. So here, to usurp forcefully, usurp, good word, to extract by persistence, by hard work, by pulling or twisting. In the negotiation, he managed to wrest some concessions from the opposing party. Yes, the Spanish are always trying to wrest Gibraltar from British control, but as far as I'm concerned, they can have it. Yeah, the army wrested the area from the enemy. They seized it from him. Okay, so it can be both physical, but it can also be metaphorical as well. Yeah, the poor farmer wresting a living from the soil, getting by very, very, very hard work. He wrested the suitcase from the porter's grasp. Yeah, so somebody's holding it. Okay, the miners were trying to wrest gold from the rocks, but it was very difficult to do, and there wasn't much gold in it. Okay, so to wrest, to pull or twist violently, to obtain by pulling or twisting violently. To seize something that is not yours. Yeah? Notice as well, before I finish, arrest in music is the key that you use to turn a piano, or to tune the strings of a piano to twist. And you have to do that pretty forcibly. Okay, so how formal is this verb to rest? I think I would give it a 6, maybe a 6.5 in formality. Sounds a bit old-fashioned, a bit literary. I think to seize, to grab, to snatch informally would be a better. So, yeah, use this rest. In an essay, it's a great word to use. Notice as well, it's a regular verb. He wrested the bag from the person carrying it. He has wrested power from his father. Okay, and then as to origin, okay, an Old English word restan, to twist forcibly or to wrench. We might look at wrench another day. From Proto-Germanic reistiana, meaning again to wrest, to pull away, to twist. Yeah, and that itself goes back to Proto-Indo-European rake with a W, to twist, to bend. Okay, so rest. So I hope you've been able to wrest the meaning of this word out of my complicated explanation. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Rest.